Hello, girls. How are you? I hope everybody is okay at home. I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today I brought more words about the universe. We're going to learn vocabulary about the space. Before presenting the vocabulary words, we're going to read a poem that is titled Five Little Astronauts. The title now is circled in yellow, and as you can see, is at the top of the poem. Titles are usually found at the top of the poems and readings because it's the first thing you have to read when you start reading. Now, there's a green arrow there. Can you see? Yes? Okay, so that arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading because we always read from left to right and up and down. Okay? So now I'm going to read, and as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in green. So pay attention. Five little astronauts. Five little astronauts flying to the stars. Girls, in this line, there are two circles because there are two vocabulary words, astronauts and stars. They went on their rocket to see Mars. The first one said, "There are asteroids in the space." The second saw three planets. He was very amazed. The third one decided to land on the moon and dig a big hole using just a spoon. The fourth one used a telescope to see the sun. The fifth one floated everywhere and had much fun. Okay, so now the vocabulary words are circled in green and we're going to learn them. I'm going to present the vocabulary word and say it once, and then I am going to count it to three as always, like this. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to repeat the word with me. Okay, let's go. Astronaut. 1, 2, 3. Astronaut. Stars. 1, 2, 3. Stars. Rocket. 1, 2, 3. Rocket. Asteroids. 1, 2, 3. Asteroids. Space. 1, 2, 3. Space. Planets. 1, 2, 3. Planets. Moon. 1, 2, 3. Moon. Telescope. 1, 2, 3. Telescope. Sun. 1, 2, 3. Sun. Okay, so now that you know the vocabulary words, we're going to read the poem one more time. Five little astronauts. Five little astronauts flying to the stars. They went on the rocket to see Mars. The first one said, "There are asteroids in the space." The second saw three planets. He was very amazed. The third one decided to land on the moon and dig a big hole using just a spoon. The fourth one used a telescope to see the sun. The fifth one floated everywhere and had much fun. Okay, so now I have a little game for you. This game is named Catch the Word. You can play it afterwards with a fly sweater and your vocabulary words. If you don't have a fly sweater, you can use just your hand as it was a fly sweater, okay? So now I'm going to say a word and you have to point with your finger, but very softly and lightly so you don't break your computer, okay? So you have to touch the screen and point the word I say, okay? Let's go. I'm going to say the word astronaut. Which of these three vocabulary words is the astronaut? Very good, that one. Excellent, girls. Now I'm going to say the word sun. Which of these three words is the sun? That one, excellent, girls, very good. Now I'm going to say the word rocket. Which of these three is the rocket? Very good, that one, girls. Very good, congratulations. Now I'm going to say the word asteroids. Which of these three are the asteroids? Excellent, girls. Very good. Now I'm going to say the word space. Which of these three is the space? Excellent, very good. Now I'm going to say the word planets. Which of these three are the planets? Fantastic, congratulations. Now I'm going to say the word telescope. Which of these three is the telescope? Excellent, very good. Now I'm going to say the word moon. Which of these three is the moon? That one, very good, girls. Excellent. And the last one, I'm going to say the word stars. Which of these three are the stars? Very good, that one. Excellent, girls. Congratulations. You all won a star. Very good. I hope you like the game. Bye bye. A big kiss for everybody.